Hi, my name's Katie Skilton. I'm a creative designer here at Sizzix, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick and simple way to decorate your gift cards. So if you're giving someone gift cards for Christmas and you want to decorate them, maybe to put them under the tree, I'm going to show you the perfect way. So this is using the gift card package by Tim Holtz, and you simply pop this out and you can slot your gift card into here. So when they're done, you can pop them back into the package and pop them under the tree. So really good way to just jazz up giving your gift cards. So we're going to start. We're going to be using the Big Shot fold away today. So we're going to start by making the envelope type piece. So we'll take the colour we want that cut from and we'll die cut this. So I'm just using 6x6 paper pads here, so they fit on it perfectly. So that's going to be our little envelope in a minute, and then we want to do the insert part of the tag, so we'll pop that on there. Again, just run it through. So these are really quick and simple, so if you're giving lots of gift cards this Christmas, or you could pop money into them as well, really quick and simple way to just decorate them. So I'm going to choose some coordinating paper here to add the bow. So I'll cut the bow and the string. There we go. And then finally I just want a little tab to go across the top of the parcel. So let me see what we've got that coordinates. Maybe we can let's use a bit of this. So the beauty of these is obviously you can cut them using colours that maybe you use under your Christmas tree, so that you can hang them on the tree and they all match. So this is all the bits that we need, so it's as quick and simple as that. Move all the dies out of the way. We can have a look at putting this together. So we'll start with our envelope. So obviously this die cuts and scores as well. So you simply fold along the score lines, like so. There we go. And we'll just use some double-sided tape to attach that. So pop those on both of the edges. And we'll fold that in. Fold those pieces and then just make sure you get them flush against the edge of the envelope on the other side. There you go. So that's created your little pocket that you've got there now. So this is the piece that's going to actually hold the gift card. Now, just to make it a little bit more decorative, I'm going to add this piece of paper across here. Just add some different colours to it. And this will fit here perfectly. There we go. So then, if you wanted to, don't know what I've done with my gift card now. When is it in? Surprise. So you can add your gift card onto that one. And you can slot it into the envelope. And then, just to decorate it some more, we'll add the little bow. So we've got the bow here. If you wanted to, you could add a ribbon bow instead. We'll stick that on first and then we can line the other part with it. So try and just get that centrally. And then we'll repeat that so that it sits exactly the same as the bow. And then with the die set also comes a tag. So this one I've already die cut. I actually printed the little sentiment on my computer and then just die cut around the sentiment. And we're going to just add a button as well using this. So just got some twine here. It's in a bit of a tangle. We'll make a new end. So we're going to thread the twine through the button. There we go. We'll just tie a bow on that one. So to get the bow nice and even, we'll trim off these bits, and then just using the scrap bit, actually we can thread this through here. And we'll just add some hot glue to it. The glue gun's still warming up, so it might take a bit of squeezing. No, it's still warming up, so we'll just use a little bit of double-sided tape on here. I can secure it in a bit. So we'll pop that onto there, like so. There we go. There we go. So lots of different little gift card holders here. So these are perfect if you've got teenagers, because teenagers like gift cards, and if you've got that person that you never know what to give them and you could give them gift cards or maybe cash inside. Just a really good way to decorate them, pop them on the tree, and they just look really pretty as well. So it's a gift in a gift. For more inspiration, obviously visit the Sizzix blog. Visit our Facebook page, our Instagram page, where we're constantly posting inspiration. If you've been making anything, remember to share it with us. And until next week, I'll see you soon.